Yo. Fuck the intro. What go on? Ambush World, legend. Yes, man. Ambush. At this chip with legend. Look on the thumbnail. Make we have a look on the thumbnail. And for the people who's been looking for the chip, the last chip reaction, YouTube take it down. YouTube give me a one and take it down. I don't know why they take down my video, but yeah, YouTube take it down. Anyway, Ambush there with legend, and we see one talker phone, we see headphone, and we see rodent. Yes, we see a rodent there, so yeah. Me can't say too much because I'm gonna take down this too. Could jump in the one and so Ambush, let's go, legend. The beat here.
Yo, see you in the streets and we call you a lesbian. Man don't care who's
That's the same beat as Chip's Legend. This song named Legend, Chip's song named Legend, same beat. The producer. So is this the producer that Ambush said Chip owe money? Saying this game the same rhythm? What the producer name? That Rotten? Let's go again. That's cheeky. That's cheeky. That is cheeky. Alright, ready?
Yo, see you in the streets and we call you a lesbian. Man don't care who's got you a lesbian. Stormzy made you move house, you're a lesbian. Cause yo, no one.
That's a lesbian. Yeah. The man say you're a pussy, yeah, you're a lesbian.
Man don't care who's got you a lesbian. Stormzy made you move house, you're a lesbian. Cause yo, no.
Stormzy made you move house, you're a lesbian. But you say Stormzy make you move house on the previous track already, man, bro. You said that already, bro. Come on, man.
Man don't care who's got you a lesbian. Stormzy made you move house, you're a lesbian. Cause yo, no one can fuck with me, I'm a legend. No man can fuck with you, you're a lesbian.
And said, no one can fuck with me, I'm a legend. No one can fuck with you, you're a lesbian. Lesbian the fuck, man. Yeah, lesbian a strictly pussy lesbian say. Yes. So the man I say, yo, no man can fuck with him a legend. No one can fuck with you because you're a lesbian chip. Man say you're a lesbian. The man say you love pussy more than panty. Blood clot bars.
Cause yo, no one can fuck with me, I'm a legend. No man can fuck with you, you're a lesbian.
Woo!
Yo, the sample's clear, yeah. Just like this battle, I'm clear, yeah. Man admitted he's a rat, yeah. I only found that last year, no.
Man say, yo, the man admits he's a rat. The man say, yo, the sample is clear, yeah. He's telling you, yeah, this is a sample from Legend, yeah, everybody know.
Just like this battle, I'm clear, yeah. Man admitted he's a rat, yeah. I only found that last year, no. I only found that last week, peak. You should never talk on streets, neat. You can ask RV when I paged him. Both him and his mum was shaking.
Bumbleclad. Why RV get dragged so much? Yo, the man of my drag RV from left to right to blood clot. Ambush.
Talk on streets, neat. You can ask RV when I paged him. Both him and his mum was shaking. And I put that on my mum's, you bacon. How's that for some information? Everybody.
The man say, yo, him put that on his mother. Say, yo, when him page RV and his mother was shaking. And then put that on his mother. You lesbian. Wait, man.
Both him and his mum was shaking. And I put that on my mum's, you bacon. How's that for some information? Everybody knows I'm a G in Camden. I don't know what you heard, but you got it mistaken. I know I got.
Man say, yo, everybody knows I'm a G. Me a gangster in a Bumbleclad Camden. Everybody know that. Some of you know what you heard. Information wrong. Check it again.
Ask RV when I paged him. Both him and his mum was shaking. And I put that on my mum's, you bacon. How's that for some information? Everybody knows I'm a G in Camden. I don't know what you heard, but you got it mistaken. I know I got daughters, you got it mistaken. This is my song now, you got your shit taken. Just like in Camden.
Man said, this is my song now, you got your shit taken.
You got it mistaken. I know I got daughters, you got it mistaken. This is my song now, you got your shit taken. Just like in Camden, got your shit taken. Don't know why you're lying, don't know why you're back, squeeze that when I tech chat. What you gonna do? Beatbox, probably know that ain't no strap. No way, no how, no rap, no crime.
Man say, yo, all of the ad libs them, man say, yo, them mean nothing to me, brother. What you gonna do? Yeah, beatbox up, move your blood clot chip. That is what Ambush is saying right here, not me.
But squeeze that when I tech chat. What you gonna do? Beatbox, cause we know that ain't no strap. No way, no how, no rap, no grime, not trap. Just chats on chats on chats and caps on caps on caps. The whole time.
Man say no grime, no rap, I just chats and chats and chats and caps and caps and caps. Man say you lie like show. The man say you lie like movie. The man say you lie like WWE, WWF. The man say you lie like wrestling. Alright, no, I said that. Me say that. Alright, let's go.
No how, no rap, no grime, not trap. Just chats on chats on chats and caps on caps on caps. The whole time Chipmunk was a rat. You're gonna need chip for this chip pack.
Yeah, the man said the whole time Chipmunk is a rat.
And caps
I'm
on
gonna need
caps
chip
on
for
caps.
this.
The whole time Chipmunk was a rat. You're gonna need chip for this chip pack. You ain't never seen a fifth kickback. Seen it up and got your lick back. Everybody knows that Camden spicy, nothing like Doritos or knickknacks. Jalapeno.
Everybody knows that come them spicy, come them hot. Come them hot, bro. Nothing like what?
Up and got your lick back. Everybody knows that Camden spicy, nothing like Doritos or knickknacks. Jalapenos and Scotch bonnets. When I see you, bro, you're gonna run from it like.
Yeah, the man say you're nothing like Dorito, brother. Guess what? Jalapeno and Scotch bonnet, bro. I this bro, hot.
Like Doritos or knickknacks. Jalapenos and Scotch bonnets. When I see you, bro, you're gonna run from it like. Hey, come here. Where you running? Everybody knows that chip's not on it, so mind who you're talking to, cause I'm the type that will stick a fork in you. You can.
The man say, when him see a chip, you have to go take foot in a hand, bro. 100-meter sprint, maybe 202. Depends upon your stamina. The man say, yo, man, make you lift up, brother, like a bumbo clock kite.
Everybody knows that chip's not on it, so mind who you're talking to, cause I'm the type that will stick a fork in you. You can bring 4 niggas, I'll bring 2. Still get 8 like 4 times 2.
Man say you can bring 4 niggas, I'll bring 2. You still get 8 like 4 times 2. You still get 8 like 4 times 2. Still get 8 like 4 times.
The type that will stick a fork in you. You can bring 4 niggas, I'll bring 2. Still get 8 like 4 times 2. See, this is what vultures do. 12 times he addressed that fable. No support when she got dropped from her label. When I was on top of the scene, I done a remix. Put on my brothers and sisters that need it. When he was on top of the scene, he was leaving. He tried force the American dream, and he tried come home, try sell weed and try come back like the grime scene need him. That's
the man said when he was on top of the game, he put on other people. He put on him brothers and sisters them to make them eat food. The man said, Chip, when you up on top of the game, you are slide and go to America, boy. You live the American dream because you do song with Chip Brown. Chris Brown. You say Chip Brown? Chip Brown? Chris Brown. Yeah, you got to do song with Chris Brown, brother, and try to live the American dream. No, you're pussy. Then you forward back, and then you come and sell weed. And yo.
When I was on top of the scene, I done a remix. Put on my brothers and sisters that need it. When he was on top of the scene, he was leaving. He tried force the American dream, and he tried come home, try sell weed and try come back like the grime scene need him. That's why I mentioned all these grime MCs. Show the world that grime don't need him. Not even.
The man said that's why I mentioned all of those grimes MC. He mentioned Wiley them. He mentioned Lethal Bizzle them. He mentioned Rich 32. He mentioned a few names like the legend them. Big up all the legend them. The man say, yo, grime don't need your chip. Don't act like the grime need it. Grime don't need it. We have the legend them. See him here.
Come back like the grime scene need him. That's why I mentioned all these grime MCs. Show the world that grime don't need him. Not even a grime MC and I'll beat him. Know that he's home just smoking, tweaking. Should I start with a DM leaking? Looks like Chip Diddy Chip's been freaking.
Oh, the man said, should I start with a DM leaking? Look like Chip Diddy Chip been freaking.
Know that he's home just smoking, tweaking. Should I start with a DM leaking? Looks like Chip Diddy Chip's been freaking. I said it looks like Chip Diddy Chip's been freaking. What, you been roofing girls on weekends? What the fuck is this, bro?
Huh? Chip DM leak and what?
Looks like Chip Diddy Chip's been freaking. What, you been roofing girls on weekends? What the fuck is this, brother? You got a big head like my baby mother. She got the forehead, you got the back head. Everybody knows that girl is a...
Man say your head big like him baby mother. Him baby mother did forward on a podcast and talk about things. So man say, yo, you have everybody knows that your head big like my baby mother one. You have the forehead and she have the back head. Yo, wait.
My baby mother. She got the forehead, you got the back head. Everybody knows that girl is a... Let me stop talking.
Everybody know that girl is a... Oh, listen to the background. They say whore.
She got the forehead, you got the back head. Everybody knows that girl is a... Let me stop talking again, cause I really want to see my daughter again. You don't know nothing about that, not nothing about that, cause...
Man say, yo, let me stop talking again, cause I really want to see my daughter again. So it look like she has stopped him from seeing the daughter. Mother, stop using your kids as weapon. against the father. It's not good. Stop it.
You're a lesbian. Man don't care who's got you're a lesbian. Stormzy made you move house, you're a lesbian. Cause yo, no one can fuck with me, I'm a lesbian. No man can fuck with you, you're a lesbian. Yeah. These niggas wanna play games, wanna play internet games, I wanna play music games, catch you and beat you up games, put you on the internet games, I'm on it.
Man say, yo, if you want to play games, if you want to play a lyrical game, whatever games you play, fuck that, man. You catch you and beat you up, bro, and put you up on the internet. Ambush. Keep it musical, please, bro. Keep it musical, please, yeah?
Wanna play internet games, I wanna play music games, catch you and beat you up games, put you on the internet games, I'm on it with blame, on it with gangsters, on it with babes. I was on your sister's page. You watch your little boys playing football. Why you watch your little boys playing football? You can't take bad man for football. Bro, I'm not a football, I'm a pit bull. And this is your discipline ritual. I ain't even gotta pick up this pistol. I can kill him with a pen, I learned that from my friend. I already know gangsters is fickle, but I didn't expect from a civil. And now I'm not deleting Jumpy. That's the one good thing you done for the country.
The man say, yo, that's the one good thing you done for the country. Him nah delete the remix from Depan. Him nah delete Jumpy. Cause that's the one good thing you done for the country, nothing else.
And now I'm not deleting Jumpy. That's the one good thing you done for the country. Shout out my niggas in country. Shout out my niggas in Birmingham. Roving was bedding up Morelands. My nigga escorted patted in Erdogan. The streets heard of him. The streets heard of you.
Yes, we heard what you done.
And Mark Lambie. And Kenneth and them, man, there. Huh? Free the guys, man. And yes, bro, I would lie for you in fucking court, bro.
Bruv, you're not showing.
You fucking moron.
You're showing free.
I'd lie for my fucking worst enemy in court, bro.
Is that even a crime?
I'm a sovereign individual. I believe in God. Yeah? Only God can judge us alone, bro. And I live like that. You don't even think like that. I hate the police, bro. They killed my cousin, fam. They got away with it because they wouldn't snitch on each other. Imagine that. Man said street code. I'm with a G-O-D code. That all men bleed code. I'm the cheat code. Huh? Fuck with me, must be sniffing that A1 Perico. What's that under my nose? I'm out.
Man, use cartel bar at the end, man. Say, what's that under my nose? I'm out. Yo, Ambush. Think of yourself, G. Think of yourself. Think of yourself. Yo, it might talk a bag of things. I thought after the second song, Ambush wouldn't have a lot more to say, cause Ambush talk a lot on the first song, talk a lot on the second song, but him still attack right now. So this song was nearly 4 minutes. Yo, what the fuck, bro? But Ambush, question for you though, my bro. Why is this song dropped on your topic page? Lot of people now go find it, bro. And why is the comment section turned off as well? Lot of people now go find it, bro. Like, wagwan, BG. Make that up on your main page, man. You see me? So the song can get enough traction. I know say the song has been distributed. That's why it's on your topic, but drop it by your main page as well, cause yeah, I've been looking for it, bro. I never see it. But yeah, big up yourself, though. Big up yourself, Ambush. Big up yourself, Chip. They were nice. They were entertaining. I go on at up the UK streets. Big up yourself. You see me? Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section, though, and I'll be down there rating. Hopefully YouTube don't block this one like they did the Chip one. All right? Peace.